Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Thursday, February 4th, and for Friday, February 5th. Today, we actually let students vote on whether they wanted to complete part of the reading guide and the chart, do a Kahoot in class, complete the quiz together, or work independently. So each class did a little bit different activity, but at the end of the day, what we needed to finish up for this week was pretty simple. If you go back into this week's folder, which was the Q3 Week 2 folder, the orange one, and you go into Tuesday's folder, there lies the 3 philosophies of China chart. So when students click on that, and they will open up the philosophies chart. So there you can see that the columns are titled Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism. And just like all the reading guides, the information's right below to fill in the chart. If the students are struggling still with the concepts, and we talked about this a little bit too, that this is a difficult topic this week for the 3 philosophies of China, it might be a good idea to do a quick refresher in Monday's folder of the 10-minute video about the 3 philosophies of China before you go to do the quiz. So a couple classes we did that as well together, and just watch this again just to refresh before we went into the quiz. And the quiz is located in Friday's folder, which is the pinkish colored folder for the 5th. Open that up. And so for this, it's just a drop down, fill in the blank. There are 6 questions on the quiz. The first 3 deal with the same scenario that a school wants to deal with a problem of fighting and bullying, and how each philosophy would handle that situation. So the first 3 look pretty similar because this is very similar to what we did in class on Tuesday during our 2-hour delay day. And then the second scenario is your math teacher catches a student cheating on a test. And again, students will pick which one of those 3 Chinese philosophy fit best for each. Students can do this up to 2 times, and I will take the highest score. As you are working Thursday evening and Friday afternoon, if you have any questions, please let me know via email. I'll be happy to answer them. Next week during our classes, beginning on the 8th of February, we will be talking about transitioning towards hybrid learning. Just a reminder, hybrid learning begins on Tuesday, the 16th of February. So we'll be talking a little bit in class, and I'll be in touch via email to parents and students with more info. So we will worry about that next week. So as you finish up this week's lesson, just let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a good day. Talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.